Hey friends, welcome to Story Space. Hope you all are very well. The story we're listening to today for English practice. It is called Cooperation, the Key to Success. In a quaint village, nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a diverse community of animals. From the wise old owl to the diligent ants and the swift rabbits, each creature had its own strengths and talents. However, despite their unique abilities, the village often found itself struggling to overcome the challenges that arose. One day, the village elder, a venerable tortoise named Terence, decided that it was time for a change. He called a meeting of all the animals and shared his vision of a united community, where everyone worked together for the common good. He believed that cooperation was the key to their success. At first, the animals were skeptical. They were used to relying solely on their own skills. The owl argued that he could see from high above and knew best how to find food. The ants insisted that their teamwork in gathering resources was already efficient. The rabbits boasted of their speed, claiming they could escape any danger that arose. Terence patiently listened to their arguments and then presented a challenge. He placed a large fruit at the foot of a steep hill and said, "Let's see which method yields the best result. The owl can find the food, the ants can transport it, and the rabbits can guard the pathway." The animals agreed, and the competition began. The owl flew high and spotted the fruit easily. However, in his haste to retrieve it, he dropped it down the hill and it got stuck in a thicket. The ants tried to carry it, but their tiny size made the task arduous. The rabbits stationed themselves to guard the pathway, but they couldn't prevent the fruit from rolling away when the ants lost their grip. Seeing the chaos, Terence intervened. He proposed a new plan. The owl would guide the ants to the fruit, the ants would work together to transport it, and the rabbits would ensure its safe passage down the hill. With everyone playing their part, the plan unfolded flawlessly. The fruit was retrieved, and the animals shared in a joyful feast. Over time, the animals realized the wisdom in Terence's approach. They began to apply cooperation to other aspects of their village life. The owls used their sharp eyes to spot danger. The ants worked tirelessly to build shelter, and the rabbits protected the village from threats. Each animal's contribution complemented the others, resulting in a stronger, more resilient community. As seasons changed, the village faced challenges like torrential rains and harsh winters. But by then, the animals had come to deeply understand the power of cooperation. They combined their efforts to divert floodwaters, gather food reserves, and ensure the safety of their young ones. Their unity not only helped them survive, but thrive in the face of adversity. Word of the village's success spread far and wide, inspiring neighboring communities to adopt the principle of cooperation. As the Passabalte came together, they discovered that their collective strength led to prosperity beyond their wildest dreams. And so, in that humble village, the animals proved that cooperation was indeed the key to their success. A lesson that they passed down through generations, shaping a legacy of unity and achievement. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share to let your friends hear the story. Thank you, guys.